Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Hello Inferno, hello. Hello Mel, my princess. Hello Hypercubes and hello Zerosol. So? Anyway. Yeah, let's play a game. Yogurt. Oh yeah, wait. There was a new version of Geode. Does it update automatically? I guess the answer is no. What did it say? Okay. You have the Geode updater file though? Let me see then. Oh, I see, okay. Let me just do this. I have Geode installer. Better edit isn't compatible with Alpha Linux mods. Yeah, for now. It definitely will be fixed. Okay, where do I get new Geode? I'll go cook, wash dishes and take a shower. Alright. Good luck. I love you. Okay, Geode. Okay, download, wait. Okay, download 5.0.0. Okay, download for Windows. Love you too. Yuppie. Okay. Don't burn anything. I sure hope so. Run anyway. English, yeah. Next, I agree. Yeah, next. Install. Yep. Hopefully it's fine that I'm just installing the new version and not uninstalling the previous version. Yeah, sure, run any code you want, I don't care. Is anything happening? Yep, okay. Finish. Okay. So will it work now? Yep, it does. Nice. That's actually cool. Cool change, I think. It has the notifications here. Yeah, outdated. Let's update some mods. What? Wait, I don't wanna do them yet. What? Continue. Oh, okay. I guess I'll press that. Okay. 7 streak. Nice. Hello, Frog, Slushy, and Red. How you guys doing? Face reveal? Been watching a while. How while? Wait. Why didn't I just press update all? Am I stupid? I might be stupid. Hello, Slushy. New errors. Show errors only. Better edit. What's the error? Editor tab API. Okay. Editor tab API. Sure, I guess. If that's the only thing, then I'll just turn it off. Are you the cheater randomizer guy? Yes. How many times are you gonna be deleting it? Okay. So now I have that. Oh my god, that's a lot. Okay, let's see. How do we out? Whatever that is. The challenge. I don't know if you will read this, but can you maybe add a non-demon filter for the level select? Some people don't have the skills for demon levels, but can be most. That is actually something I would like to add, yeah. What makes people? I mean, they're children. Like, what goes through their brain that they send this to someone random, just saying, "I'm Jupiter." Can you believe like a demon level and name it Miles L? Is the best or something with Miles L, please. Thank you, wife, for that time message you sent me. Also, I bit cheated random, sorry I can spell it. I don't think this guy's very happy. Cool level, hi. Hello. Some people just saying hello too, which is fine. But just wondering, like, why do people do it? Why does anyone even send me messages to begin with, actually? Can you please put the spin-off games? I wish I could, but I don't know why people hate your levels. It's just calling club. Nah, not worth it to reply. Blood is defending a pedo. And a guy who did essay. Message beyond important. How many bugs have you added to cheat randoms in my last message? Many. That was 5 minutes ago? That's crazy. Fish. Alright. Now, let's see. I have mods now. Mark edit the APIs here. Compatible, please disable the mod to use better edit. This does mean that the other editor mods by Alphalines are currently incompatible with better edit. We'll sort that out soon. So the mods work together, but this is a quick fix. Add option to disable the change looks wrong with the new update. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Make also body features free for everyone. Thank you all for being. Yeah, okay, nice. That's cool. And now I have my. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, and you have these. Trigger to trigger. Huh? Oh. Oh, I said. So I guess that this is. Ah. Oh, nice. So this is basically that better thing mod, yeah. And this will show everything that. This is basically how it works in game now. Hello, Zats, how you doing? Glad to see you haven't been slacking, yep. Did you ever shoplift? No. Ah, wait, did you ever shoplift Haribo colas and get fined $198,000? Yeah, I don't think that was me. How do you even have a clue? That's the thing. I don't. Now it's even better. Yeah, that doesn't make it any better. Okay, I will keep that on though. Hitboxes. Dash length. Okay, cool. Oh, I can just turn on shaders like this. Cool. Yeah, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna keep it like this, so when I do this, I can actually see that. That's helpful. Okay, the cool thing is I can go here, better edit, autosave here, quick save, improved mouse controls. Ah, right. Scale factor, this one. I really like it. Since I have 2K monitor. Oh, this thing exists now. Huh? It's so laggy. Okay, I don't know what all that is. That's fine. Okay. So, last time we were updating this system with boxes so that I could do this, and now they would move together, and then I could just easily do this. Right. Mix. Oh wait, this was a I don't know why that happens. I have no idea. Does it happen if I do that? Wait, what happened to the song? Let me go to the next one. Yeah, so if I move it a little bit for some reason. So, does it happen with this too? It does! Wait. Hold on, let me go here so I can see it. So it's every time... Wait, what? Oh, I guess because I hit it. So it's just whoop. Pushes me. Okay. Okay. And that is happening because it's still following. Oh, it feels so nice being able to just click this and it shows all of this. So I can just see like this one, it's going over here, do these ones, yeah. It does use those ones. Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god, I have my names back. Beautiful. Okay. So 1243. What is 1243? It's nothing. Huh? Okay, so this one is following 1243. What is 1243? Is it? Okay, it's not unusable. Just very annoying. Okay, 1243.
It's not a big deal. We can handle it.
Interesting. What even is this? Yeah, it's the last one. But when I click it, it shows all of them. Okay, that's good. What is 1243? Box 2 main is following... It has to be... It's follow position. Yeah, it's right there. Oh wait, I can change it there. Can I change it here? Well, 43. Box follow. Box, I guess follow pos, yeah. There we go. So now when I go here, box follow position. So box 2 is following box 1, follow position, yeah. Nice.
I'm sorry about that. You thought it through. I do have to think about it. Out there those who believe what
That's not what I wanted to do. Box 1. Two 137, yeah.
now it's your turn to get your turn.
Yeah, okay. It's all good. What I wanted to do is this. Here we go. So I see everything here. Wait, what does plus and minus mean? I don't know. Why does that lever right and lever left? What are the plus and minus? Is it like 1 and 2? I don't know. Hello, I like thick cheese 228. Will this get mythic? I don't know, Mist. You tell me. Why is this behind that? Oh. Does it change the sea layer? Can you show us the level? I can actually. Ah, that one hasn't been changed. Somewhere, blah blah blah. I guess I can. Oh wait, no, I can't skip the beginning. That should do it. Why do all of these songs? Wait. Wait, is my stream okay? Yeah, it should be okay. I don't know. Okay, anyway. So here we go, you can talk to this guy, blah blah blah, whatever. And then you can start the level. And here, basically, you push boxes like this, boom, and then you solve the puzzles. The best level? I think so too. Yeah, I will not show the rest of the puzzles though. But yeah, that's it. And then I will go to the second world. Much progress you got? It says it in the title. A rough estimate. And here is the second world. Is it almost 80? Yep. So here we have Whatever this place is. Right, I was doing some testing here. Don't worry about this. Yeah, and you have these lifts, and you can just do that and move them. And then you have some more puzzles. Don't worry about that. And then some more puzzles. And some more puzzles. And guess what? More puzzles. And then you have the last world. Yeah, like it says that the song played for half of the time. So I have to press manually every time to go to the next song. So the song is playing fine. But the video is saying that it's playing like at half speed or something. Which is weird. And this is the last world, which will have, you guessed it, more puzzles. And here you have a new mechanic where you can move the box through this void coop, and it says slides all the way. Wait, what? Oh, I can't push it up. Can I? Oh. Ah, yeah, that was a bug I had. Right. Okay, anyway. Some minor problems here, don't worry about it. No. I will not try it. Ah, there we go. Oh, okay. Go up there. Sure. You do you. Hydrate. Okay. Good job. Yippee. Thank you. I wash dishes and good is cooking now. Food is cooking. I think, not good. I'll wait when it's ready and go shower. Sounds good. Good job. Okay, so box top and box 2 bottom. Box top and box 2 bottom, yeah. Box 2 follows that. Box 2 follows box follow position but Y only, and this is X only. Yeah. And this one spawns 294. Ah, ground check. Ah, right, this was my thing. Yeah, like right now the song says it played for 50 seconds instead of 250. I don't know why. Well, I guess I'll have to do that this stream, sadly. Or can I? No, I can't. Okay. Oh, well, that's fine. Maybe I can try doing this. Here we go. Okay. 7 stream streak. Let's go, Suds. You're officially a week old. Yeah, this doesn't show anything. $299. One object. Nice. Okay. So There are many problems with this system currently. Like when I stop 1310, it's that one. I also spawned 304, which is the ground check. Yeah, so box main is box 2 main. This is 1993 is 1374. 137. Oh, 73 should be. Yeah, okay. And this one is 1348. Excuse me. 100 is 1348. 100 is box bottom. So that should be box 2 bottom. Bless you. Thank you, baby. 1348. 1348. That is correct. So maybe that was the problem. No, it's not the problem though. Ah, wait, this one. I should be able to just do that now. And then I just do the same for the other boxes. And when it stops following left. Yeah, when it stops following the left, I should be... Huh. Do this. I don't know, let's try. I will need to have... this back. Oh wait, let's move that there. Let's try with one. Yeah. So, with one block, it does not work. So it's not gonna work with the other ones either. Okay. Good luck in the shower. So it stops following the left. How should I do it? So if it stops following the left, I also should... Yeah, I spawned this one, which will spawn this stuff. That's not gonna do it though. Oh wait, it will. Huh. Okay. So will that work with multiple boxes then? Well, let me try here. Can I... Oops. Okay, I can move it now. Okay, okay. Okay, that's nice. Okay, and it stops. Okay, okay, okay. We might be cooking here. So close. Okay, let's try here. Oops, nope, not like that. Where are we though? No. Let me be delusional. That's the only way I can get through this. And here, this one also does not work. And the reason is because these, all of these are following the bottom box. What if I had like a little bit of space? This might... Yeah, so that's not the answer. Okay, I'll have to think about it more carefully. So basically what I need to do is that I need to... That's so annoying though. It's so complicated. Just trying to understand like what's going on here. Wow. Ceiling. So these all have ceiling on them. But what if I didn't have a ceiling on them? Okay, let me try with this. So I think this will cause some problems, but I want to see if it does something else. Ah, okay. Ooh. I think I have an idea on what I could do. Okay. So let me just, so basically what I could do is that if there is a box on top of this box, then I can just remove the ceiling position thing from them. Let me just write them down. Okay, let me just start from here. 2, 1. Oh wait, I just need a new groove for them. Okay. 6, 5, 6. Let me write them down. Six, 6, 5, 6. Welcome to the chat room. Ah. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 5, 6. And 1409. Welcome, Nasser. How you doing? Okay. So now I have those, and basically what I can do is I can have like one box bottom. Do I have box bottom? Box bottom is collision item and control as well. Yeah. Box stack. Did you install better edit? I installed, well, updated Geode, I guess. I guess I could try this first. Let me just do that. Wait, this one? No, no, no. It should be a group as well. 1318. Yeah, so I don't need to worry about that. I just need to get it here instead. What was it before? Hello, Ken. How you doing? I think it was 1243. Yeah, 1243. Oh, wait, it's yeah, here we go. So I'm looking for box stack. Box wall. You know, I'm gonna make it that one instead. Box wall. And I'm gonna call it, instead of box wall, I'm gonna call it box collision. I'm gonna call it box stack collision. Even. A bit sick at the moment. What about you? I think I'm doing good. Hopefully you can get better soon. Get well soon. Okay, so 13, 16. So it's gonna be these ones. Okay, follow position is box follow position, and I also need... I don't even know. I don't even know. Okay, wait. 1395. Yeah, okay, so... whatever I added now... I think 1256, yeah, that's it. And then 1409, yeah. Okay, so you should be 1395. Future Galaxy, then give it a follow. Okay, let's do that. And then this one should be 1399. And you should be 1408. Okay. And now I should be able to do here. So if there is a box on top, then I will just toggle it off. Okay. So this is... yeah. So this one should toggle off 1279. And then here, it should toggle it on again. And with that, it should work, I think. Wait, so if I have two now... yeah, now it works, okay. That's good. But the problem is, as you can see... it just keeps going. So when I hit the ceiling, which should be hit ceiling, it should also stop 128. Should it? I don't know. Alright, see, I can No, that's not it. It should stop. This one is 1364. It should stop the follow. Yeah, okay. Follow position. No, it should stop box stack 1318. Wait, which one is it? Wait, I need to stop. Wait, hold on. That's in X direction. I don't need that. I need this one. So 1310, box 2 stack. Okay, box 2 stack, 1310. So what is 1310 is 1330. 1330 is 1318. Okay, so 1318. So this one should stop 1318. No, but it should be the other boxes. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Wait, no, it did. It did work. I guess what I should do is I should spawn no, I should just toggle this one. And I should toggle on. It's not this one, it should be 1316. This might work. Ooh, okay, we're getting somewhere. Oh, peak playing. Why did it not work for 3 boxes though? Okay, so the last box did not... Huh. It's cheaty after all. No, it's not that. In this case, it is because of my system. Like there is something wrong with it. It's not. This has nothing to do with this being cheaty. Always play the game. I play the game when it's actually time to move. Blame the game. Oh god. Okay, I guess I won't see that. Let me just do something like this. Copy values. Paste date. And I will not hide them. So now I will see when those exist. So. Right. Let me do... Actually, no, I can just do pass. No touch. There we go. Oh, I played 12 seconds of that song. I don't know what's going on with my internet or something, I'm not sure. Okay, so. You see here, box number 2 no longer has a hitbox on it. So this is like the hitbox that there is like something on top of it. And that one also doesn't have it anymore. Wait, why did it work now? I didn't change anything that should affect this in any way. Okay. This is actually such a genius idea. So basically, the reason why my system, like why they weren't moving up, is because of each box had like this ceiling below them, so it would stop like if there were any boxes that would go onto them. But I can just remove them when they're stacked now because I have this system. So this block next to them is basically when they have this hitbox. So right now, if box number 1 would go all the way to box number... Actually, I can test it like this. Oh, thank you. 7 seconds of that song. Oh, more peak playing. So here... That is a problem, I guess. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So I should probably stop or... wait, hold on, where is it? Here. So I should toggle this off after, I think. So if I do this, it should work. I understand exactly why that happens. But if I do it like this, I think it should be okay. Or maybe we'll need a little bit of a buffer. Like one tick buffer. Yeah, I guess it needs 1 tick buffer. Okay. So if I do this, next free, 656, spawn, 656 after 1 tick. And now I think it should work. Beautiful. Ah, because it's still following it. Wait. Why did it not lose the hitbox? Ah, this is why. Okay, it should still work. Yeah, but it still doesn't... Why? Huh? Does this even trigger? let's make it 9988. Nine nine eight eight. And now when I push this, it should... It doesn't become 1. Huh. Okay, but this one should trigger though. Okay. So 656 was just a forbidden number. But yeah, now you can see that it does indeed stop it, and if I do that, now it gets the hitbox back. Okay, that's good. That's good. I should also check whenever I stop falling, or whenever I start falling, instead of just going down, I should also check each of these separately. Right. Right, so I should be checking whenever whenever the box starts falling. Do I have any check for that? I have gravity field when I stop. Yeah, but I spawned this from 650. thinking right now. At least this system works now, so that's good. Which would also remove these ones completely. I don't need them. Which would be amazing. It would simplify a lot of stuff as well. Oh wait, I would still need these though, I guess. Okay, never mind, let me just keep them for now. Okay, let me just open paint.net. Right, so let's say I have void coop here. Let's do, yeah, actually it should be like this, okay? Void coop. There we go. I have a stack of boxes here. Right. And right now, these two boxes, they are just following whatever this box does. So this box goes here and starts falling down. This will do the same. Right? Makes sense. But what I should be doing is that I check, like when this one leaves this void cube, like what else is there? Like if they fall off a ground, I will start following them. But also if I have void cube here, for example. Logs, how you doing? They should keep going to the right instead of following this box. Yeah. So whenever I stop the movement, I should check if there are boxes above, and then those should also do the stopping movement check, I guess. And based on that, they should do something. I don't know. I really wish I could just do this in a game engine. It would be so much easier. Yeah, so every time the movement stops, I should check it. So basically, I should... like when these stop here, I should also check other stuff. Maybe the easiest is to just put the other two boxes, or actually the top box. I don't know. Oh, my brain. Ugh. Push right to 129, box right, yeah. Well, that's just collision, I see. What's this? Right. Okay, I see. Yeah, because if I don't have this, then the boxes just don't work for some reason. Right. Yeah, they just keep falling down. So this is my fix, I guess. I don't know why it does that. Actually, what if I just do a 1 tick delay on this as well? Oh, then I need 2 ticks delay on that one. Did I? Yeah, this one should be touch triggered. Okay, so it doesn't work. Good to know. So I can just make these go back. And I will just use the solution that I already had. That for some reason does work. I don't know why. That's just how it is. Okay. So how do I check when the box stops moving? Do I just check these ones? Yeah, because I don't really know how I can check currently, like in what I'm doing right now. I can't really check when this box is right here and it starts falling down. Yeah, so when that happens, I should check this box. If this one is still in the void goop here, it will instead keep moving where it was moving already. But I don't have that anywhere either. I don't have that stored anywhere, so I don't know. Oh god. Because right now all this knows is that, oh, okay, what is happening to this box here? Oh, it's going down. Okay, I should be going down because it's just following it. It doesn't know, like, okay, let's say this one starts going down. Then I would have to somehow check where this one is going. Like, is it going... I think if it's going down, then it doesn't really matter. And if it's going up, yeah, so I should only check if it goes left or right. Yeah, and if it is not inside void goop, then it should start going down as well. And this one should... Well, actually this one should go like just a tiny bit, but it should keep going to the right. It's going well. How are you doing? That one should definitely be going to the right until... Whoop. Got Yada in 2 runs now. Nice, good luck. Maybe I could add a thing for these boxes that check if they're going right or left. Paint.net is good, but it definitely isn't the best for editing stuff. You can do some quite simple stuff, but doing some like much more complicated stuff, I would recommend using something better for that. Yeah, like I could add an ID. I already have box right and box left. 129, 132. They already have an item. What does the item do? Okay, box 1. Oh, it says if they are... I think, yeah. Okay, but these ones don't. Push left and push right. Yeah, these ones don't have an item, so I could do this. Push left, push right. Item, item. Okay. So let's add those. So, here. Whenever I'm pushing left, it should also do a pickup. Let me just do this. Check state. 129, box right. Yeah, okay. Copy values, paste state. Copy values, paste state. Copy values, paste state. Copy values, paste state. These are... I see, okay. Copy values, paste state. Copy values, paste state. Okay. Like the new trace function, by the way. You mean the one made by Robtop? It's not that useful. It can be useful for some stuff, but better edit functionality right now. Much better. What difficulty is it supposed to be? I don't know. Because it's for you, Brian. Okay, so this one should be 35. 35, count 1. And 36. Count 1. Already start post switcher. Yeah. Okay, so let's look at box 1. 2132. 2132, 1378. Can you remember those numbers? Nah. Let me just take them. Okay. Yeah. Do 132. One, 3, 7, 8. Okay, so if I do this, full vanilla, nice. I will never go full vanilla because a lot of mods for creating are extremely good. Huh? Yeah, I love when I copy values and I paste, it just doesn't work. I'm good in triggers, but I'm really bad in decoration. Well, there's always time to start that, if you want. Okay, and I wanna know what happens if this is in gravity field. Perfect. Why did this become -1 though? Why does it happen twice? Okay. Well, I guess I can see it if I just check here. This one. Yeah, it's spawned by this one, but this group. And if I do trace in. Yeah, not helpful. Is it level that you're creating that one called Strataverse Trials? Yeah. Yeah, better edit than many other mods as well. Like, it just... You just need them. Oh yeah, this one should happen... Yeah, it does happen... Ah, here, field ID also stops it? Oh, what if I don't stop it? Will it keep going? Yeah, I'm estimating that I'm 80% done. Because this is the last world. But the problem is that it removed one anyway. Wait. From the opposite one. Oh, it stops both movements. Oh. Ah, I see. And then it starts falling. Yeah, there was no problem previously. Yeah, makes sense. It just removes one for both. So I guess I need a better system for that then. Item edit. Yeah. -1, but then I should have an item compare. And then I should only stop the one that actually needs it. So let's do that. And let's do that. Okay, 1407. 09. And 656. Do I use 656 for something? I feel like I do. Yeah, I do. 656. 656 is not... It's not okay. Cannot use that one. $14.10. Hello, nonetheless. If it's equal to 1, yeah, and this should be 36. That's 36 and that's 35. This stream is actually a vibe. Nice. I'm glad you're enjoying it. Because I sure am not. Oh, there we go. Okay. So now I have a system detecting when this box stops moving. Okay. And now I can just do here. So whenever it starts that, I should also start this. Okay, so whenever either of them actually. So whenever 35 hits 0 or 36, I should spawn this falling thing to 13, but it's not really that, because I should check if stomp. Hello Viper, I'm doing some stuff. Okay, what should I be doing? Wait, when I fall down, it is checking. Ah, it is checking that. Okay. So I should spawn. Actually, wait. Spawn. I guess this one. Toggles it on 304. I guess I should do item compare. I don't know. Fruit cat and UMRD that follows. So I should just stop the following, I think. No, I should stop both following. 1279 and 1310. Yeah, I think so, but that should only happen if... Wait, can I do it here? Like, can I spawn this one? I stop it and then I fall. No. I should check. Right. This one is checking, yeah, when I push it right, if that's less than 0, then I will do it. Otherwise I will not. What does this even do here? So when push left, player is pushing left. Exits it. I will check if it's here. Ah, right. Yeah, so I should be spawning this one, but with different numbers. So 1999 1993. Okay. Okay. It's becoming more complicated. So I should either make it move to the left or make it... Okay. Let me first try. Okay, okay. Before I go anywhere. Let me break it down into smaller steps. So right now, if I go and play... wait, I can actually... let me... delete these. Okay. Okay, so you see now, block number 2 stopped. So when box number 1 started falling down, it's... Wait, why does that stop? Why does it stop? Where do I stop? $12.79. Do I stop $12.79 anywhere? Ah, here. Uh, 2101. What's 2101? Oh, it checks for gravity field. Ah, okay, okay. Oh, okay. So I do need this one here. Which stops it from following the left, I think. I don't need it to follow the lift, do I? Yeah, what is this for? Hold on. A101. Yeah, so when the lift stops going up, I check the state, and then I keep going up if I should. Right, that makes sense. But if I do this, and I do this, this one stops 128. Ah, it stops following the lift. Yeah, yeah, okay, okay, that makes sense. Makes sense, makes sense, makes a sense. Yeah, yeah, makes sense, okay. Okay. But when I get off, I don't know. Yeah, so this does work. But why does box number 2 stop instead of following box number 1? That's what I don't understand. So I feel like I did not do that before. Okay, what if I just do this? It still does the same, so I don't know if this even does anything. When the lift stops going up. Then it checks these. Yeah, it doesn't do anything anymore. Yeah, I fixed this problem completely. Which is massive, actually. Yeah, okay. So I only have this. Yeah, so, okay. So now... I don't understand, though. There's a connection between them. I mean... Yeah, somewhere over here. So the thing is, what I don't understand is, like, this is the behavior I want. I do want it to stop, but I don't understand why it does that. Hit ceiling stops that. Stops following left. 128. 128. When do I stop following these? This is when box stop and box 2 triggered on exit, but they don't exit, do they? Let me check. Pick up. Copy values, paste state. Let's do 9888. Yeah, let's add 1. 99. I guess I could have done the same one. Oh well. Okay. Yeah, it stops following it right there. When it leaves for some reason. I spawned 2017. I don't understand why. What's causing it? Is it just that it's not going down with it, but it would go up with it? But it should be following the... Wait, let me try something. Oh wait, I can't try it with this. Try it like this. Okay. So let's get 2 boxes on top. Yeah, so that does work. Okay. Yeah, so it stops as soon as I... Yeah. Okay. So how is it triggering right there? When does this happen? Box top, box bottom. Does anything else spawn this? No. Oh well. Okay, so I can check 35. When that becomes 0, 35. I should spawn... I guess this one? Yeah, so box 2 main is box 2. Instead of this place here, though, I should be spawning... Let me do... left first. So 35 becomes 0. I should spawn 600. I think. Fourteen 11. Okay. But this one should have that ID. This bottom doesn't matter. What does matter is that it has the box 2. Right. 129. 129. Box 2. Box 2 left, box 2 right. 1284. Do I have that stuff? 1284 is 2115. Okay. And 2115 is 132. Is that what I wanted? It is. Okay, perfect. Nice. So I need these ones as well. Okay, so box 2 left. This one is right. Okay, so 1472. So 1475. 1475. Ah, box. I can do this. Oh my god. Oh, beautiful. Oof. Okay. So, whenever it's kind of stupid though. No. Yeah, it is. No, it's smart. It's smart. Okay. So when this happens, copy values, paste date. Yeah. Yeah. So now if 35 becomes 0, which means that I stop pushing to the left, or the box stops moving to the left. Actually, I think that's the right. Let me do 36. Build helper. And this one will spawn 1107. And both of these should have also... Oh! I'm good. I can just do... box left. Oh. Box 2... Wait, what? Huh. 1284. It does exist. Okay, here we go. Oh, what? What happened with you guys? That's what happened. Okay. So if it stops moving, yeah, so this one, it stops moving left. I will spawn this one. And then I will either move it left if there is, or if there isn't, I will... Right. I did kind of expect something like that. So what I need here... Box, top box... Wait. How's the cabin? Huh? What cabin? Let's make these ones 1310. Okay, let's see. Does that work? How you doing though? Welcome to the stream. Okay, so now that one doesn't work, but I think now if I have this, yeah, it will keep going. Okay. Love your object tile. Thank you. I appreciate it. Ah! Oh, I did actually make it. Yeah, so this one... Okay, so that's close. But why does it... Is 19... Ah, I'm not actually checking... Not checking... Yeah, okay. I should check if... Values paste date. So I should be checking if 1993 graph. Nice one. 1993. Except I shouldn't be checking it like this. If it is 1, then I should spawn this one. 1440. But it's not 1993. What I should be checking is 1373. 1373. That one will be box 2 graph field. Okay. And if that is true, do you ever just wake up and feel etsi ja tuhoa? I actually do. How you doing, Slacks? Hello, Slapped Alan as well. Okay, let's do the same thing here. 1442. 1416. I'm doing pretty good. Just annoyed that I'm still working on these boxes after all these years. IDKXD_LOL986. Thank you for the follow. One day it's gonna be over. Otherwise, I'm doing good though. Hard work pays off. I don't know if it will. Okay, so now it works as expected. Nice. So true, Emma. So true. I destroyed them in Crash Bandicoot, I will destroy them. Please don't do that. I don't think my mental health will be able to recover from that. No, you still keep... You still keep going. Oh. Oh. Right, so I was correct in that. 1447, so this one should be 1447. And... 1447. Oh wait, no, that should happen before that. Yeah, now it's not gonna work. Yeah. Ah, they're spawned again anyway. So now when it becomes 0, when I stop... Yeah, okay. So I think what's happening now, what I thought would happen last time, when I had them touch triggered, is that now when I move this box, yeah, it stops moving. Stops moving. So what I should be doing instead, these ones, not that one. I should just copy paste them. 1440. Copy values and paste them here. So now, it might work. Huh? Oh, I know why that happened. Well. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, that works at least. That's good. Will it work? Let's... Wait, hold on. Let's do this. Will this work? No, it's gonna... Oh, never mind. It does. So let's do... Oops. Okay. No! Perfect. Okay, so that does work. When I stop moving around... When it stops moving, I check if it should go somewhere. Perfect. But... What's going on with this? Huh? Huh? Excuse me? Maybe this one should be 1 tick delay. Why? Why do you do that? Why would you do that? And it's still following it. Why are you still following it? I should... $19.93, $13.73, but I don't need that one, I guess. Box main, box right, box left. 128, 129, 132. So I'm spawning this one. 129. 129. 129 and 128. Yeah. And that is 35. So 35 goes there. Yeah. Uh-huh. Then what? I don't understand what the issue is. Wait. Why only? So this one, 1310, gets stopped somehow. And 1310... 1310, 1330. 1330. $13.10, $13.30. What even are those numbers? What? $13.30? Ah, it should be here, I think. $13.30. Yeah, okay, $13.18. Okay. So 13.18 is box stack collision. Okay, so where do I 13.18? I stopped 13.16 here. What's that? Is that following box stack collision? Yeah, it is. Okay. Right. What about 13.18? I stop it here. Will that break something? It will not. Okay. So now, okay, wait. This again. This happened a few streams ago as well. Hello? Hello? Okay. Close window. New update for Geode. I just downloaded it. Okay. So I remove this. So now if I play like this, I think what's gonna happen, it keeps going, and then it for some reason, yeah, now it's not following. What? Why does it do different things? It just does whatever it feels like. Oh, this is a perfect song for how I'm feeling. Seems to be doing that every time. Okay, let's try with box number 3. Wait, why are they going down, the numbers? Wait a minute, isn't that when I'm moving this? Yeah. Is that the answer? Is that the reason they're doing this? It is. It's 1. Why is it 1? Why did it become 1? Okay. Because when I'm pushing left. Okay, let me just stop these completely. See if something with those is the answer or the problem. Hello, Nexter, how you doing? Well, that did kind of work as expected. Yeah, so now... Why does it... How's the level going? Terribly. I've been stuck doing these boxes and this lift for literally years. I just want it to be over. I want to actually do something in this level. Why did... like, why does it not just work? I've remade these boxes like 7 times at this point. And I've remade the lifts 3 times probably. And the gates a couple times as well. And there's just no end to it. It's just three boxes. I just want physics. Collisions between 3 boxes. Is that too much to ask for? Yeah, so that is the problem then. Here. Maybe that's the problem. That they had 1 tick delay. Shouldn't be it though. Yeah, now this number stays 1 for some reason. And it's 36, right? 1378. I think that's 36. 1378. I don't know. Make it in a game engine. You know, I've said it multiple times. All of this stuff that I'm working on right now, it will be so much easier to make in a game engine. All of this stuff I have with like moving multiple boxes at the same time. Imagine if I could just, when a box collides here, I just I just make it a child of this bottom box. And then they would always move at the exact same time and I wouldn't worry about the second box. But now I'm using some advanced follows and normal follows as well to do the parenting so they move together. But then I have to actually do a lot of other stuff as well and blah. It will be so easy. Collab with H-Town. The problem is that it's so complicated that nobody would understand it. It does help me with a lot of stuff, but this is something that I don't think he would be able to help me with. Okay, so 1440, 1442. If I do this. Yeah, see? Now it works as expected, other than it just doesn't start moving after that. But now when I do this, for some reason... Good luck, Emma. It would be, if I had one box, or just two boxes, I could do all of this so much easier, but I just have 3 boxes. Why did I choose 3? Am I stupid? Yes. Yeah, so box main is box 2 main. Box right is box 2 right. Let me just take these just in case. I'll do this. Okay, and let's check here. So 1400 is 2133. 2133, and that is correct. Yeah, makes sense. 1475 is 1337. That is correct. That is box right. Box right. Yeah, and then the last one should also be correct. So if I check 1284, that is 2115. 2115 132, which is box left. Yeah, so those are all correct. So the way it works is it'll keep going in one direction until it hits a wall. Yeah. Or until it leaves it. But also, keep in mind that there's also these lifts that move it up. So if I move it up, the whole stack should be moving up, and it should still hit the ceiling as one whole. There's a lot of things that you don't even think about it. Or you don't even think about those little things. Yeah, so why on earth does this trigger twice? Oh, wait a minute. No, that is how it should work, I think. Yeah, it does work correctly. And that one is CID 129. Okay. And then field ID when it leaves 36, 35 when this one, if that's one. Okay, let me check that. That might be it. Thank you, Nexter. Thank you, I need it. What was I doing? Right. So let me check 35 and 30. 35 and 36. Oh, wait, is that the problem? Hold on. No, that should not be the problem. Okay, what do you do? Yeah, so now I have box 1 and box 2, okay? That's why it keeps going, okay. So is that a problem solved? Wait, but... I spawned this, which adds 36. Ah, it adds it to the wrong one. I need 35 and 36 here as well. Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Bro is on the nothing. Do I have 35 and 36? I don't think I do. So I would need to add them here as well. Oh no. I'm just gonna do it for this one. Only this one. Or maybe this pickup... No, this already have an item. So it has to be 35, 36, okay. Or can I... Wait. I can use... Reset remap. And I just spawn... Wait, how did I do it here? This is box 2. And that's box 3. Wait, that would never work though. Am I stupid? Yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay. So let's make new things. 1447. $14.48. Okay. So 35 is 1447 and 36 is 1448. Yeah. Okay, now I just need to add here these two have the same, so let me just copy this. Okay, and I need to check box 2. Actually, I have it there already, so 1447 is 2121 And 1448 is 2120. I think it should be fine, even though I didn't see it there. It does add them. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, let's see. Does it work now? So now I should see that box number. So oh wait, that actually explains everything. Okay. And this one will not work because I didn't add the IDs. So now number 3 will keep going to the left. It just keeps going forever. Is that something I can do with box number? That is also something I need to fix. So if I'm not actually pushing it to the left, I should not add anything to it. Is that because... Oh, yeah, it is. Wait, what? But I'm not... Oh, wait, this one is... No, wait, what? I guess it's fine if I just add them to 600. Maybe. Maybe this is fine, I'm not sure. Let's see. So even if I keep moving, so let's do this. So if I keep pushing here, it will still say 1, like I am pushing it, but I just don't see it. Doesn't really make sense though. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, so here I'm checking if... okay, makes sense. Never mind. I'm gonna do this as well. Let's do this. Copy values, paste date, copy values, paste date. So here I'm checking 132. If 132 is equal to 1, then I will spawn this one. 1449. Okay, and then I do the same here, so 129, box right. Yeah, so if this is 1... No, wait, if it's 0... No, wait a minute. Oh, it's not gonna work. So right now what I'm doing is that if I would have the box against a wall and I would try to push it, it would not do +1. Right? But I already have that checked. But what I was doing is that when I stopped, so I push it and then I stop, it would do -1. But I was thinking like, oh, okay. It just kept doing -1 all the time, so that's not good. So let me just do the same thing, like check if it is against the wall. So if I start pushing, it will do +0. And then I stop pushing, it will also just do -0. So I will not trigger those. But imagine a scenario where I start pushing it here. It adds +1. I push it to the wall. Now it's against the wall, and now I stop pushing it. It will not trigger the -1. So then I will be left with +1. Shade Unit, thank you for the follow. Which I could avoid, I guess, if whenever I hit a wall, I just set it to 0. Because then, like, imagine a scenario where I have, because right now what would happen, I have one tall block here, and then I have this, and then I have a void cube here. And I somehow have put a block here. Maybe I pushed it down. Maybe this is actually the situation here. So I fell, pushed it all the way to the left, and then it falls down, and then it's here. So now, what would happen is, if I would ignore checking, like if it's against the wall, I push this, and when I start pushing it, or when I stop pushing it, this one will start moving. Because I do +1, I do -1, and oh, look at that. It went back to 0, which means that I should trigger the system where I check if this should be moving. So this one starts moving then. So I should actually do what I'm doing right now, and just when I hit a wall, I also set it to 0. I can delete those already. They're not gonna do anything. So let's... Yeah, when it's off a wall... Do I need anything when it's off a wall? No, I don't. I just need this one. 35, 36. And I just do override to 0. Actually, no, I don't do override. I just... Wait, would I already spawn this thing here? 2016. Which checks... Which should only check for this one. Wait. Yeah, actually, that's good, that's good. Let me do it the other way around. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I will spawn 2016, so I ignore this check when that happens, when I hit a wall. So I don't actually need to add any extra logic here. Right. So when this one is less than 0, then it will spawn 1066. 2016, 1066. Yeah. 12, 28, 2017. So this one will spawn 2017. Wait, no. Yeah. And that one will spawn 1067. Okay. Copy values, paste date. Copy values, paste date. Okay. And now I think it should work. So if I keep moving this one, when it hits the wall, it instantly becomes 0. Now I can't move it anymore, which is perfect. Okay, let me just check what happens if, for example, I had a situation like this. So I can move it off of the wall somehow. Okay. And now I do... Oh. Why do you keep... What? Okay, that one is messed up. That's the answer. Okay, so I messed up something here. So 1101, yeah. This one is 1282. It spawns 2017. And 2017 spawns 1067. Yeah, this one is push left. So push right does work. 1101. 1282. Yeah, okay. So this one is 0. This one is... Ah! Should be checking if it's 0. There we go. That's the problem. Okay, there we go. And now, imagine I have a box on top of it. Nothing happens. As it shouldn't. Nothing should happen. But let's say now I have a gravity field here. Okay. Let me do this, so... There we go. Okay. So now there's a gravity field there. But the bottom box will not be doing anything with it. So if I do this... What? Why did it stop the following? Well, that's another problem, I guess. Yeah, but that works now. Yeah! I'm so happy. Okay. Okay. Why does this not work? So when it enters it, for some reason it stops the movement. Huh. I'm not sure why. I don't even have these either. Wait, will that cause some problems? In the system I already have made? Oh, yeah, it will. Why does it do that? I don't know. Let me just do this. Hmm. $13, $16. No, but it's not hitting a wall. Somehow it's when it enters it. Collision, gravity field, but it doesn't do anything other than just 1993 comes through. Huh. Oh. 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 It became 0, so why did it not keep moving? Let me try doing it on the left side, I guess. I guess I can... I guess I can do this. Maybe it only works on one side, which would make it a little bit easier for me to... Yeah, okay. So it works on the left, but it doesn't work on the right one. Because this is the exact same situation. Oh wait, what? Oh, I guess it wasn't in the gravity field. Quite. Let me try this. I'll do this. Yeah, so it keeps going, okay. So it's only wrong on one side. Okay, so this one, 129 is 0. 1993 is 0. Spawns. Ah, maybe it's because of, if I do this, will that work? Maybe that's the reason why things have been breaking for no reason, because I'm stupid! Ah, wait, right. That's why I had this ground like this. There we go. Let me try... Oh. Ah. Push left. Forgot how to make push box movable. Oopsies. So, +1, -1. Okay. Okay. 129, 0. Spawns 2016. 1993 spawns 1066. Yeah. 128 spawns 2017. Spawns 1067. it doesn't work on that side either. Wait, what? Oh wait, no, never mind. I just removed the gravity field. What? Nope. Okay. So I definitely do need these. Hit wall. Do I not have walls there? I do have walls there. Why does it stop? Oh, if it's in the gravity field, it doesn't stop. Ah. Okay. Yeah, so when I wanna stop it, like when it hits that, it checks if it's in the gravity field. No, wait, it doesn't check the gravity field at all. Why does it not? What? Ha! Hit wall. Spawn 2017. So if box left hits a wall. Box left +1 and I spawn this one, push left. Right collision? That doesn't make sense to me. Here's how you got it to move so smoothly with the player. You mean like when I'm just pushing it around like this? Same speed. Yeah. Well, it's actually not same speed. I could change the speed if I want. Like if I want to change, let's go here. Oh, right. Let's make it 700 and minus 700. Now it's a little bit slower, but it's still really smooth. And I can make it any speed I want, so let's make it 70. Let's make it 75 so I can put it back to 750 later. Okay, but how? So, the way it works is that I have these ones. Okay, baby. Night night. Love you so much. Have a good stream. Thank you, baby. Have a good night. Yeah, really nice emotes, by the way. Okay, so the way it works is that I have these here. So whenever I'm moving to the left, I toggle this one on. And whenever I'm moving to the right, I toggle this one on. And I'm checking that whenever the player is inside this collision box, then I'm moving the box to the right. And whenever I'm on this one, I'm moving to the left. And whenever I leave those, then I will simply stop it. So that way, whenever... So there's a little bit of leeway here, right? I could, if I want, I could move them onto the right like this. And you will see what's happening. Is that you the chaser? Yes. So you can see here now, I can move it further away. I just add a little bit of leeway to it to make it smooth. So if I go back to here now and make these 750 and 750. I subbed. Yippee, thank you. So now you can see how it works. It's actually really simple at the end of the day. It's actually not the same speed as the player, it's a little bit slower. Yeah, anyway, that's how it works. Got it? Nice. No, I shall continue. Good luck. Huh? You do have collision with walls. Why do you not care about them? No, that's wrong. What's going on? 132. Should I remake the box from scratch again? Everything? No. I'm just thinking because I can actually use instant collision now. It's remappable. So I can use that instead of all of these item IDs I have. Would make a lot of them much more simple to do. Like all of these check state things here. This one would just be instant collision, and I check like if it is colliding with it or if it's not colliding with it. That's so much simpler. It's actually crazy. Wow. I've been playing around with it for so long that I didn't even think about how much harder everything is because of that. It's so much simpler. Just like check if it's colliding. Okay. So when I hit a wall, I stop the movement. Pushing left, yeah. Pushing left. Ah, I understand what the right collision means there. Yeah, yeah. 2017. I should be checking the state. I guess. No, I shouldn't. Yeah, when it hits a wall, I just check if it. Ah. Ah, it should spawn 1067. That's why it broke. And this one should spawn 166. 1066. Yeah, there we go. Okay. There we go. Okay, that was the problem. Because it doesn't matter if I hit a wall. It doesn't matter if it's inside this void coop. I should still keep going. Yeah, there we go. Okay, nice. But why does it do that though? When it exits the void coop, it should stop the movement. Field ID. Copy, paste, 1993 becomes 0, then it will spawn these two. 1449. Okay. So when that's 0, it will check 36 and 35. And then it will stop these. Ah! Same thing here as well. Should just stop 1066 and 1067. Okay. Okay, that's the problem. How's your mana die been? Pretty average, I think. Actually, no. I think that's been good. There we go. Okay. All functionality has been fixed. Nice. Wait, can you? Hold on. Oh. 07. I thought I fixed it. $129. 129 is box right, which is I don't know. Was it the other way around, maybe? Hmm. 36 means that it's being pushed to the right. So when it stops being pushed to the right, it should stop whatever is moving it to the right, which is this one. So 1066. So maybe it is the other way around. I don't know. Oh, definitely not. Okay, what caused that problem then earlier? So So this one is 20. Oh, if I push it in void goop. So when I push it in the void goop, 129 is equal to 0. That's gonna be true. And this one is also true. Wait, what? This one is 0. Wait, but... Ah, it doesn't update it. One 29. Okay, what's 129? 129. Okay, 2137. 2123, 2137. 2123. 2137. So I guess what's happening is, let me just see that this is correct. So if I move this here, nope, that's not correct. What was it? 2137. 2137. 2123. 2123. Huh? $132, $129. $132, $129. $132, $129. Those are the numbers I have. What's the problem? Two, one, two, three, two, one. Oh, it's 2127. Oh, okay. That's probably why. Yeah, so now that became 1. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. And if I go here, I pushed all the way, now it becomes 1. And now if I go here, boop, now it's 0. Okay. And now that one becomes 1. Huh. Okay. Wait, can I? Oops. Right. Okay. Can I somehow get it stuck like here on the right side? I think I can. Okay. Ah, I have to get it perfectly aligned over there. Okay. Oh, but I need to be down here as well myself. Yeah, I don't think that's happening. Wait. Hey, okay, I can do that. I guess I could just make it simple for myself. There we go. So now there's a wall on both sides. Okay. And this is all it was. Uh-huh. So they keep going down for some reason. Okay, so when the player stops, but it's not the only time they get called, is it? 1101. Or this one at least. Ah, this one is here as well. I guess it should be checking state as well. Yeah. 1101. Okay. So 1067 should be 1282. Okay, and this one should be 1101. Okay. Let's see. I think that might be it. I'm not 100% sure. Nope. They still keep going down. Okay, so when I exit, I check. Yeah, okay. 36 is equal to 1. What's 36 for? Oh, I check if I can push it. No, wait. Ah, I check if I am pushing it. But I'm not. So it should spawn nothing. Let me try if I do these. Do I still have the problem? Now the problem is that it keeps going. I don't stop it. Okay, that's fine. I can deal with that. Okay. Oh wait, it doesn't happen when that... Oh, wait, it happens when I hit a wall. So when I hit a wall... Should I be checking... Is this the problem? I think I do understand what it is. Right, it keeps going now. Because when it hits a wall, it doesn't... Right, okay. So when I hit a wall... It spawns these that are like pushing it right, but there's only people doing this one. Ah, okay, I think I understand what the issue is. Right, it makes sense. It makes sense. So copy values, paste date, copy values, paste date. And now I can do this, and now it should work properly. It stops there, and now if I do this, that works actually as expected. Okay, makes sense. And all of my numbers also check like when it is on a wall and when it isn't. Ah, I tried. Whee. Okay, how do you work on the next place though? So if I do this, you don't move at all. Should you? You should be moving, okay. So let's see. This one spawns 600, which checks 129. Yeah, that's correct. It should be checking that, and then it should move. But why is it not moving then? If I get one more welcome to the chat room, I'm actually gonna crash out. Yippee! Such crash out coming. In 3, 2, 1. Would be funny if it actually happened. Well, I guess that also counts. We win this. Okay. So 35 means that I'm pushing it. Yeah. 35 pushing left. And it's pushing it to the right. Wait, what? Yeah, push left is 35. That one is push left. Backspace being delete. Oh, I never used that. Okay, so what's happening when 36 becomes a 0? I spawn this one, which checks if 1373 is box to gravity. Oh. Oh, I think it's because, like, what you do here. Yeah. Yeah, I understand what you're talking about now. Yeah, for some reason, like, I can change tabs and everything here while I'm in menus. I don't know what mod does that. Probably better at it. Some bugs. Okay, so if that is true... Yeah, it did work, yeah. Well, they did have to do a lot of rework to make it work, so... Maybe that's why. Okay. 1373 is equal to 1, which is that gravity field. 1373, yeah. So if it is in gravity field, then it should... don't need that, I don't think. Oh! Okay, I can do it. Funny how you mentioned it and now I just did it. Okay. So this one spawns here and 129. What's 129? Well, that's box right. Yeah, so if I can push it to the right... 36 is push right. Yeah, so if I can push it right, I will push it right. And I also stop moving. Okay, that should work, I think. So then why does it not work? Oops. Oh, I don't reset it now. Oh, so this is like... Oh, okay, I see, okay. So when I hit a wall... Ah, I should... Right. But isn't that the same as... Oh. Oh. Ah, if I do this now it's gonna work, but now the other thing is gonna break. Oh. So now this is gonna work. Watch. Huh? Well, I mean, it did work, I guess. Why are you -1? And minus... Huh? Because when it hits a wall, it's... Oh, it hits the top wall? Oh no, Sackman. So box left. I should... What? Box left hit a wall. No, that's right. Oh, I guess these ones are incorrect. And 110. Wait. I don't know. I'm done for the day. I can't deal with it too much. Actually, one thing I'm gonna do before that, just so I don't forget, is here, let's check this one, and I'm checking 35 and 36. Is that what I'm looking for? No, it's not. Hold on. Yeah, it's push. No, it is. It is those, okay. Okay, so that one, and then for box 3. Yeah, I literally did read your comment. I guess you didn't hear it. Okay, so what I wanted to do is for this one and for this one. Well, let me just make sure that I have it correct. So if I have this one and this one, this is for box 2. And I have 1447. Oh, I don't see it here. Okay, well, let me see. This one. 1447 is 2121. Okay, yeah, that is correct. Okay, nice. So let's do it then. So this one and this one is for box 3. So 1447. 1447 is 1339. And 1448 is 2108. 2108. Good thing I checked. Okay, and then box number 1. 1447 is 2132. Yeah, and 1448 is 1378. Okay, that's it. That's all I wanted to do. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to follow me if you haven't yet, and check out my YouTube, my Linktree, my Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Discord, everything right here on this link. Yeah, and I'm gonna be streaming again on Wednesday, possibly. No. All right. Yeah. Your ML Dash. Yeah, thank you for the follow. But yeah. I'll see you guys. That's the wrong camera. Oopsie. There we go. I'll see you guys on Wednesday, maybe. Probably. Bye bye.